Hope you guys can hear me. It's pretty chilly out here, so I gotta leave the heater running again. We got our wiring harness. Attempt number 2 for this thing. We're gonna throw it on and see how it works, if we get all of our lights working and sparks. So let's go. Alright, so we got it all worked out. Still had some trouble with the lights. I had to use the old harness, or the old connector, and then remove all the pins out of the new connector, wire all these together for the high and low beam. We got that worked out. And then we also got the tail light worked out. It all the pins needed to be rearranged on that, so we should have everything worked out. I got a couple zip ties on it now. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and throw this body on, and then after it's on, we'll finish our connections, zip tie all the remaining stuff up, button it all up, make it look nice. I'm going to probably try to scrub on this a little bit, make it look a little better, and then we're going to get some air in these tires and put the new chain tensioners on. Get the chain tightened up, lubed up, and I think we're about ready to roll. So I'm going to go ahead and bounce back to this, get this body put on, and button this thing up. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and change the oil in this and let it run for a few seconds. So that'll be a little bit warm. this one with your thumb. Whoa, there you go. Hey, stop. There's a screwdriver right there on the table. You grab it. Hey, wait. You like that one? That's pretty fast. Hold on. Hey, whoa. Hey, stop. Let me lower the speed a little bit. It's a little too much. Hold it.
Wait, baby, come on. So cute, babe.
Okay, try it now. Buddy, go. They're gonna chase you, go. Good job, come on, go. Go ahead. Subscribe. See you later. There you go. Go. What do you say? Give a thumbs up? Say thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you later. There you go. Go.